The City of Englewood is a dynamic, first-tier suburb of Denver. It is the third fastest growing millennial population in the metro Denver area due to housing affordability and access. The city offers site selection services that will help you grow, relocate, or locate your business in the city. Free and confidential one-on-one small business consulting is offered through the Small Business Development Center. The city offers workshops and training events from the Aurora South Metro Small Business Development Center, Mi Casa Resource Center, and the Small Business Administration. The Economic Development Office offers several business grants. These grants help businesses get a leg up at key times in your economic growth, from startup grants to expanding business grants. These are geared to help your business with capital to start and grow in the City of Englewood. At key times in the economic growth of your business, the City of Englewood is here to assist you.